Hi guys, welcome back to my artistry. For today's project, I am using craft resin to make a pyramid with this small silicone mold. The mold is commonly available at Amazon, and I will be adding and preserving this beautiful pink daisy in the pyramid. I will be making this pyramid layer by layer for the next 5 days, but for you guys to watch it will be 6 minutes. Day 1. Let's begin by pouring a little resin in the mold. I am applying heat with a heat gun to eliminate air bubbles. Still, at the tip of the pyramid there always lies a nasty air bubble which I am removing with a toothpick. Once it's out, I am pouring a little more clear resin. You can see I am pouring it slowly and dropping it over the stick to minimize the air bubbles and not disrupt any already existing epoxy resin. I am applying heat again and will be leaving it for a day for the resin to cure. Day 2. I am adding the clear resin and repeating the same process until I get a substantial amount of resin in the mold. Using the heat gun. Now I am placing this daisy, but remember to place it upside down. Adjusting it with a toothpick and making sure the flower is well dipped in the resin. Next, I am dispersing these gold flakes directly from the vial over the resin. And now I will keep it aside for a day to cure. Day 3. In some clear resin, I am adding these gold flakes and mixing them. They look so pretty. I am adding it over the flower, little by little. Now I am placing these dried leaves and adjusting them to the desired position with the stick, and I'll be leaving it for another day. Day 4. I am adding this lettuce green colored mica powder in the clear resin. Making sure I have a good amount. Adding the color resin on the mold. Eliminating any air entrapped and leaving it for a day to cure. Day 5. It's time for the reveal. I am taking the pyramid out from the mold. It's easy to separate. The resin once cured doesn't stick to the mold, so it pops out very easily. Yeah, you can see it here. Here it is outside in natural light. I am absolutely in love with this pyramid. It looks amazing. It's my first time using craft resin and I love it. It is very clear and has very few minute air bubbles. The daisy leaves and gold flakes, they all look so pretty in the pyramid. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it and learned to make this beautiful pyramid. Hit a like to the video and comment below and let me know what you guys think of this art. And don't forget to subscribe as there are many more different art videos coming up shortly. Also check out the Etsy shop May Artistry. Link is in the description. Bye for now. Take care.